One, two, three, four.
It's just a lot right now. Everything's a lot right now. It's a lot in every way, from all sides.